Hi and welcome back to Beer&Boxes. I am Kim, and when I got home from work today I saw this package, which means that my Ipsy bag came. It is April's Ipsy bag, so I had to go in my refrigerator and find a beer to pair it with, and I found this Porter Rico from Arcadia Ales. And it is 5.5% alcohol. It's super coconut flavored. Well, not flavored, it's got coconut in it. It's supposed to be like biting into a chocolate bar with coconut. And I will say that it doesn't taste like that. It tastes like coconut thrown up in your mouth. So if you really like coconut, this is a great beer to try. I am not, however, I guess I like coconut. I don't know. I don't know who I am as a person right now. But let's get into the Ipsy bag. That's what I'm going to be drinking while we're opening this. But this is April's Ipsy bag. And this month, on the 2nd of April, you could purchase add-ons. So you could get full-size add-ons or the sample-size add-ons, just depending on what you didn't get in your bag. So I did purchase some, and at the end of the video, I will show you what I've got. But you're gonna have to wait until then to see. This is what April looks like. It's a very, very cute bag with lemons. It's super bright, and it's got a little tassel with the Ipsy on the zipper. We'll get right into this because I am excited. As are all women who open their Ipsy bags. So right away I see this brush, which is Firma, and I did get a Firma brush in a previous Ipsy bag where I think it was brush 102, and this is 103. It's the angled contour brush, and it's super soft, super nice. And I'm excited to show this brush to her sister. They can sit together in the makeup drawer. Please ignore my greasy hair, or don't. Don't ignore it. Embrace it. It's my no shower day today, so tomorrow will be better. All right, so that was the Firma brush, and I'm sure it just says something about contouring. Yeah, the contour brush is angled to trace the curves of your face, yada yada. But Firma Beauty does it uses sustainable materials to make these, so that's nice. Next item is the Punk Volumizer Mascara by Doce, or I don't know, you guys. You know how to say it. I don't. It looks like a lipstick, but it's actually a mascara. Oh, opening it wrong. Ooh, look at that. Just a little bit too much product. This is a huge brush. So that will be a really good mascara. I can already, just by the brush, when you open it and look at the brush, you don't even have to apply it and you'll know if it's a good mascara. So that, I'm sure, just says things about volumizing your eyelashes. A hefty dose of volume, separation and lift for a falsy effect. We'll try it. I like a good mascara. What is this? Delectable Body Butter Cream Triple Citrus Blend. Just whispering to myself. It's a body butter safety seal. Doesn't smell like anything yet. Alright. So this is really thick body butter. I guess all body butter is thick. It's like not going to fall. And it's super light. Very, very light. I thought it would be stronger with that like triple citrus action, but it's very light. I kind of want it to be stronger, but I like strong smells. Let's see what it says. So this has grapefruit, tangerine, and orange. extracts, and it's obviously with the shea butter. Okay, okay, okay. I did need some lotion. All right, this is Nomad Berlin Underground. It's Kreuzberg. So this is eyeshadow. It's in the packaging right now. Oh, it's a cute little compact. It's got the silver Nomad. I can't tell if you can see it because my light is blinding, but it's a cute little compact. And I believe this shade is like a yellow, okay, so it's a duochrome iced lime eyeshadow. So it's it's like greeny, but it looks more yellow to me. Get away from the light. Let's move the light a little bit. You still think it looks white and yellow. Let me swatch it. Yeah, it's more yellow to me actually. Maybe like a teeny hint of green, but it's actually a really pretty highlight. You see that? I think I would use it like on the corners of my eyes just to like pop it. But it's very pigmented. Just painting my whole hand. So this is cute. It's like a teeny tiny little compact. Back in the box. Alright, so for April we just have this one little item left, which will be Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So I don't have a hydrating primer. I usually use Pore No More. That's a lie. Professional from Benefit, because it's like a silky velvety application, and this is more watery, I'm guessing. So I guess if I'm having like a dry day, this is a good one to use under my makeup. But I usually like the velvety kind, like Benefit. Yeah, that's super watery. Ooh, it's just going on and on and on. Okay. So that was April. That was quick and easy. If I got that by itself without the add-ons, I might have been like okay with it. It's not like anything life-changing. We have a brush, eyeshadow, mascara, body butter, and a primer. So there's some good products to try, if not just to try the brands themselves, because I've never tried Nomad or this Duce, which I'm probably pronouncing wrong, or the Tarte. I think the Tarte is a new primer, like they just came out with it. So those are those. $10 a month. I'll leave a little link in the description down below. If you want to sign up, you can use my link. I just get points, so I don't get like money or anything. I just get points. So maybe in like 7 years I'll be able to get a sample size lip gloss or something, because they add up that slowly. But I do want to show you what I got for add-ons now that you've stuck around with me. First we got this, which is 2 sheet masks. This was only $3 in the add-ons. I don't know how much this actually retails for, but I was excited for this one in particular, the red fruit brightening mask, because it helps with uneven skin tone, dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. I do have like red splotches all over my face, so we're gonna see if that works. And then the other mask is a broccoli plumping mask. And this one's more for like old age, tired skin, and lack of vitality, which I can also try. Just threw that on the floor. It's all right. So that's fun. And we have this Pure Lisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. So it smells like Starburst, and it's awesome. but it smells so good, you guys. I think this is the one time that I'm actually gonna go and purchase the item that I got, full size. It just smells so good. Super summery. Last item is Moods. I saw this and I didn't get it, obviously. Only like Ipsy Glam Plus got these, unless you did the add-on like I did. And it was only is it $12 or $13? I can't remember. But I think this is worth like in the 30s. So it's a good deal to grab for add-ons. And it's Laura Sanchez, which I've never heard of, but it's like super funky colors, like yellow, pink, some neutral tones, and then these are all shimmers on the bottom. And then these are highlights. So I did swatch them already because I was too excited to wait for you guys. But this is what it looks like. And I will say, when I did open it first, it came with a film over it, but it still had loose powder everywhere. So that kind of sucked. Makes me think maybe it's kind of gonna have a lot of fallout when I try to work with it. But these are the matte colors, and then the shimmers, which these show up really good swatched. These ones you will probably have to build a little bit. And then we have these two highlights, which I think both of them are really cute. This probably for more like sun-kissed look, and this like if you just want to high shine all over town. It actually comes up more like pinky, and there's like an undertone of lavender maybe. But here are the swatches. They probably rubbed off because it's been a while. Oh yeah, these are terrible, but I'll show you anyways. So formats, shimmers, and then you can't even see them. It doesn't matter. There's like 45 videos of swatches on this, so get over it. But I really like this. The packaging is super cute. Look at that. Yeah. Like a little mystical witchy goddess right there. So I'm going to have fun playing with this. I'm just starting to learn how to like do eyeshadow, and eyeshadow is so much fun. If you're like, don't be afraid to just shovel it on and make yourself look like a hot mess, because that's how you learn. And I've definitely done that before. So that was this month's Ipsy April 2019 with my add-ons, and I'm super happy about them all. Yeah, next month I'm going to get the Ipsy Glam Plus. I don't know if I've said that already. It's $25, and I'll get a full-size products, 5 full-size products for $25. And it's supposed to be really worth it. A lot of the videos that I've been watching, I'm like super jealous of all the items in there. So we'll do that next month. And then if you are in the mood for a coconut explosion in your mouth, try the Arcadia ales. It's not my favorite, but I'm going to drink it all. I probably won't purchase it again because it's just so coconutty. But Arcadia ales, they do have really good beer. Just not this one in particular, in my opinion. Okay, so if you liked this video, which I hope you did, thumbs up, and then subscribe to the channel so you can get more of me, more of Kim and Beer&Boxes.